Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix the issue is that when you're just going to play your Clash of Clans and when just during the gameplay, you may facing issues is that when you're just playing and the game just open and they're gonna glitch just like that, they're gonna off it just like that. They're gonna go back and they repeatedly you have to see that issue. So how you can fix that? When you just again restart your iPhone again on and just game close the game just like that and again on the game and again you get facing that issue. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone or the iPad? So just simply just follow the steps. The step is that first of all just going to your settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. So many users facing issue because they don't have a strong Wi-Fi connection. So make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and have a minimum 30 to 40 50 MB network connection. So after that, you check that your VPN is connected or not. So if it's not connected, so just have to just make sure. If it's connected, just disconnect it. After that, just go back and just going to general section and just going to software update and to make sure that you just update to the latest iOS version. So many users facing issue because they cannot update to the latest iOS version. So that's why they're gonna glitch and sometimes bugs issues. So that's why their game gonna close again and again. So the other thing is that you just check that is your iPhone storage. Just go to iPhone storage and check that you have enough storage. Just like that, you have enough storage of 56 GB. So make sure that in your case you have enough storage in your iPhone maybe iPad. So you have to check that you have enough storage of minimum 30 to 50, 30 GB have space in your iPhone. So after check that, just go back and just scroll it down and you see the option about transfer reset iPhone and just tap on reset and reset the network settings from there. After that, you just have to just connect with the Wi-Fi again and just go back. And after that, if your problem not gonna solve, so simply just delete the game. Just tap on that and just remove the app from there. And again, just go to the App Store. And here, just have just search of a Clash of Clan and just download there. If you see any update in the App Store, just update to the app. And after updating, make sure your problem gonna solve. So after that, just restart your iPhone and again on it. After that, your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel for the more videos like that.